You think ChatGPT is just for answering questions, right? Wrong. It can do much more. Watch this. Please send the project report to ganapatid@yahoo.com. And just like that, it sends the email and I have it in Yahoo inbox. Isn't that amazing? Now, let us break down how this works and how you can set it up to handle tasks automatically, saving you time and effort. The steps are very simple. Set up a free Zapier account, set up a custom GPT, add the project file as knowledge to custom GPT, add Zapier actions to custom GPT, set up a Zapier GPT action to send Gmail, correct the custom GPT instructions and test the custom GPT. I already have a free Zapier account with which you can set up actions and get about 100 tasks per month. I set up a custom GPT using GPT-4 Plus membership, which costs about $21 per month with tax. I use the create first to get a proper name and profile photo and then use configure to configure it properly. I have given the name Project Report Mailer. The profile photo is created by GPT Builder using DALL-E. I am creating a new custom GPT, Project Report Mailer. I have already created it through the GPT Builder and then I am configuring it now. Through the GPT Builder, you are able to get the image for the profile picture and then the name as well, Project Report Mailer, which says helps create and email project reports using Zapier. So we have the name, description, instructions. We have set here the project report mailer is designed to help users generate weekly project status reports by automatically extracting data from attached project CSV files. It emails these reports to specified Gmail recipients using Zapier. This GPT operates in a formal yet friendly tone, guiding users through the automation setup and ensuring the report is professional and comprehensive. It uses the uploaded project file to tailor the content of the weekly reports. Rest of the things we will see later. You can set up the conversation starters like send a weekly project report to my boss like that. For the knowledge, we need the create an AI agent.csv which contains the project report. This is the project file exported from Asana creating an AI agent.csv. The project name is creating an AI agent and we will import this into ChatGPT. Here I have already set it up. Using the upload files, you create it under knowledge. Then you allow code interpreter so that it is able to interpret this file, which sometimes the create builder may not enable it. We also enable web browsing and DALL-E image generation. And finally, we need to set up the actions. We'll go to create new action. Here, we will set it up for Zapier. So if you go to Zapier, the actions.zapier.com/docs/platform/gpt/instructions.template- for AI actions. Go to this link. I have made this link available. You can check the tutorial here or you can come to the get started section. Note that this is still in alpha, so this might change anytime. You copy this special URL to your clipboard. So you copy this and paste here. Import from URL. This creates the open API specification for Zapier with the server's URL https actions.zapier.com and then you will see that it has the actions list available actions from Zapier, run action and Zap_guesser. You also make sure that you set up the privacy policy zapier.com/privacy and make sure that this link exists. We have this here, Zapier privacy policy. So this should be available for the actions. Now we come back. So we have the action here, action.zapier.com And now we need to modify our custom instructions. Let us expand here. Here we copy this from rules from the same get started section. If you see here, if you come down, we have these actions, rules, actions, and here the action is for Google Calendar Find event, but instead we will have it for sending the Gmail. How do we find that? We can find this link here. https://actions.zapier.com/gpt/start. Let's take this and put it here. If you paste this here, you see that it gets changed to actions and it shows your GPT actions. These are not enabled. Send email, this is enabled. Let's check this. So the action is Gmail : send email. Let us copy this. Don't use this link as this is only for your account, whereas we want it to set up for any account. If you see here, the Gmail account is ganapati.deopa@gmail.com, which you can change to yours. To have AI gets a value for this field, subject same thing, body same thing, so that ChatGPT is going to fill up these fields. We don't require a preview. You can say done and enable this as well. Now coming back to ChatGPT instructions, we have copied the same instructions, rules, instructions for Zapier custom action, and finally the required actions. In the actions, we have put same Gmail : send email, and for the configuration link, this is if somebody who has not yet set up the action, they can set up the action using the configuration link. We saw this earlier, GPT start, and then add question mark, and under setup _ action, we put Gmail, send email. That is the same thing we put here, but instead of space, we put %20. Okay. This way, when we call this, we can check this link, paste it here, and it goes to creating a new action, Gmail, send email. And then you need to enable this action. So this link is working properly for new users. So now we're all set here for sending the email. Close this. And then you can update our GPT. You can copy this link. We can paste this link here and go to our GPT. So I have the custom GPT project report mailer, and let me ask it, send the weekly project status report to ganapatid@yahoo.com. Let us confirm. Let us give it again. It has been sent successfully. Let's check the email here. This is the email. Here is the latest update on project task, and it gives the report here. So we got the report in Yahoo Mail through ChatGPT. So we have successfully set up a custom GPT that can process a file and send the report via Gmail. This is just the beginning. You can use similar technique to interface with so many applications, like directly get the project task details from Asana, send email through MS Outlook, and many other applications. Please subscribe to my channel for more such groundbreaking videos, and also subscribe to my course ChatGPT for Managers on Udemy, where I teach you many such techniques for using ChatGPT at work, including building AI agents. Use the coupon code to get a discount on Udemy for a limited time.